For the first time in American history, the country's highest court has inched the presidency closer to a kingship.
You have to give a president full and total immunity.
On Monday, the Supreme Court threw out an appeals court decision that rejected Trump's claim of immunity on criminal charges for alleged efforts to undo his 2020 loss, with the Chief Justice saying he's entitled to at least presumptive immunity from prosecution for all his official acts, with the caveat there's no immunity for unofficial acts.
And if he is immune for some subset of his official duties, what is that subset, and how do you figure out what that subset is?
In April, the Justice Department argued the tactics deployed by Trump and his team were done in his capacity as a candidate. His legal team argued he was protecting election integrity in his executive role. In its decision, the majority ruling said determining that requires a fact-specific analysis of the indictment's extensive and interrelated allegations, meaning it's going back to a lower court, despite one conservative justice saying this should go to trial because Trump's initial challenge failed.
Our committee found very strong evidence that the former president and a group of others engaged in a very intentional effort to disrupt the joint session and prevent the transfer of power.
Trump lauded this ruling as a constitutional victory, but the liberal justices issued a scathing dissent, saying the relationship between the president and the people has shifted to make him king above the law.
And I think the majority just did the best that they could to really try to address the concerns the dissent raised and hope that they were establishing a rule of law.
And there needs to be accountability for us to move forward.
There's little belief that this trial will occur before the election, a trial that, if Trump were to win in November, could vanish on his authority. Reggie, Cecchini, Global News, Washington.